800 million jobs gone by 2035. But wait before you panic. Some jobs, AI can't touch them. Not now. Not in 2035. Not ever. Today I'm revealing the 10 jobs that will not only survive the AI revolution, they'll actually thrive because of it. And trust me. Number 7 is going to shock you. Let's start with the brutal reality. AI is taken over. Fast. By 2035, 800 million jobs worldwide will disappear. McKinsey confirmed it. Oxford Economics backed it up. This isn't a prediction anymore, it's a fact. Customer service reps replaced by chatbots. Content writers, AI is doing their job for $20 a month. Basic programmers. GitHub Copilot is writing 46% of all code being created right now. The replacement formula is simple. Repetitive plus predictable equals replaceable. But here's the thing nobody's talking about. Not ALL jobs are dying. Some jobs are actually becoming more valuable because of AI. More demand, more money, more opportunity. And I spent weeks researching exactly which ones. Before I reveal the list, let me ask you something. Be honest with yourself. Is your current job repetitive? Can it be done entirely on a computer? Does it follow clear, predictable patterns? If yes to 2 or more ... your job is at risk. Oxford Economics says 67% of current jobs fall into that category. But here's the good news. You have a time, you have options, and I'm about to give you the exact roadmap. These 10 jobs, they're your escape route out of the danger zone. And some of them ... you might already be close to. Let's get into it. Number 10. Mental health therapists. Think about it. When was the last time a robot made you feel truly heard? AI can diagnose patterns. It can suggest solutions, but it cannot sit with you in your darkest moment and genuinely understand your pain. The mental health industry is growing at 20% every single year. And that number is only going up. Therapists aren't just surviving, they're becoming one of the most in-demand professions on the planet. Number 9. Healthcare surgeons. AI can read x-rays, it can analyze scans, but when it comes to actually opening someone up and making split-second decisions inside a human body, that requires human hands, human judgment, human instinct. Surgeons aren't being replaced, they're being assisted, and that makes them even more valuable. Number 8. Skilled tradespeople, electricians, plumbers, mechanics. Slight humor, you can't fix a broken pipe through a screen. You can't rewire a house with a chatbot. These jobs require physical presence, real-world problem solving, and hands-on expertise. AI literally cannot do these jobs. And right now, there's a massive shortage of skilled tradespeople. This is one of the highest-paying, most future-proof careers out there. Number 7. AI trainers and prompt engineers. Yeah, the people who teach AI how to work better. This job didn't even exist 3 years ago. And by 2030, it's going to be one of the most important roles in every single company. Someone has to train these systems. Someone has to make sure AI actually works correctly. And right now, companies are paying 6 figures for people who can do this well. This one shocked me too. Number 6. Creative directors and brand strategists. AI can generate images. It can write copy, but it cannot understand culture. It cannot feel what a brand should stand for. It cannot look at a market and say, this is what people actually need right now. Creative directors don't just make things look pretty. They make brands mean something, and that's a deeply human skill. Number 5. Teachers and educators. AI can deliver information. It can quiz you. It can even explain concepts. But it cannot inspire a 16-year-old kid to change their life. It cannot see that one student struggling in the back of the classroom and know exactly what to say. Teaching is about human transformation. No algorithm can replicate that. Number 4. Politicians and public leaders. Humor, trust me, AI doesn't want this job either. But in all seriousness, leadership requires trust, charisma, real human connection, and the ability to navigate complex social dynamics. These are roles that will always require a human face and a human voice. Number 3. Emergency first responders, firefighters, paramedics. These jobs require instant reading a situation in real time, adapting every single second. AI can support these roles, but it cannot replace the human instinct that saves lives. First responders are not just safe from AI, they're essential, now and forever. Number 2. Lawyers and legal professionals. AI can research cases. It can find precedents, but the courtroom, that's still human territory. Arguing a case, reading a jury, negotiating a deal require emotional intelligence, persuasion, and strategic thinking that AI simply cannot match. The legal industry is actually growing because of AI. More complexity means more need for skilled human lawyers. Number 1. Business leaders and entrepreneurs. And here's number 1. The job that will never, ever be replaced by AI. Leading people. Building something from nothing. Making decisions with incomplete information. Inspiring a team to believe in a vision that doesn't exist yet. Entrepreneurship is the most human job that has ever existed. AI can give you data. It can automate your processes. But it cannot dream for you. It cannot take that leap of faith. The entrepreneurs and business leaders of 2035 won't fight AI. They'll use it as their superpower, and they'll build empires. So here's the real question. You now know the 10 jobs that will survive. You know which careers are growing. You know where the money and opportunity is going. But knowing isn't enough. You have to act. Here's what I want you to do right now. Step 1. Look at that list of 10 jobs. Which one excites you? Which one feels possible? Pick one. Just one. Step 2. Drop it in the comments. Tell me which job caught your attention and why. This keeps you accountable. Trust me, it works. Step 3. Spend 30 minutes this week researching that career. What skills do you need? What's the entry point? What does the path look like? I've put together a complete guide with resources, salary data, and step-by-step career switching plans for all 10 jobs. It's free. Link is in the description. Actually open it. Actually use it. Here's the truth. 2035 is coming. Whether you're ready or not, the people who act today, who look at this list and actually do something about it, they're the ones who will be thriving a decade from now. The people who just watch and scroll to the next video, they'll be scrambling. Don't be that person. You watched this video for a reason. Something in your gut told you this matters. Listen to that feeling. Subscribe so you never miss a video on AI careers and future-proofing your life. Every week I break down exactly what's changing and exactly what you should do about it. The future is not going to wait for you, so let's move now.